Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1516 for the 2020 Gold Rush Basketball Value Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, February 17th, 2020. It's 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:30 p.m. Central Time, and 7:30 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Hargrove, 3 spots, Clay, 2, Austin Britt, 3, Brian, 3, AN with 1, JD 1, Ware 1, Sale with 4, Tony with 9, Gator Rose 3 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Hargrove on top, Gator Rose on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Hargrove on top, Gator Rose on the bottom. Hargrove Hawks, Tony Celtics, Sale Nets, Tony Hornets, Ware Bulls, Clay Cavaliers, Gator Rose Mavericks, Nuggets, Tony Pistons, Sale Warriors, Tony Rockets, Austin Britt Pacers, Brian Clippers, Clay Lakers, Hargrove Grizzlies, Tony Heat Bucks, Sale Timberwolves, Austin Britt Pelicans, AN Knicks, Brian Thunder Magic, Hargrove 76ers, Tony Suns, JD Trailblazers, Sale Kings, Tony Spurs, Raptors, Austin Britt Jazz, and last but not least, Gator Rose with the Washington Wizards. All right. Let's see what we have here. 3 hits per pack. Everything will ship. And we're going to start off with a rated rookie. DeAndre Ayton for the Phoenix Suns. What's up, everybody? Rated rookie for Phoenix. And then for the Warriors, we have 130 out of 199 auto of John Lucas. Throwback. So John Lucas, Golden State Warriors for the Suns, the Warriors, and then last but not least, Eric Gordon for Houston. Dual patches. 11 out of 20 flawless for the Rockets. Game used patches. Very nice. Game worn patches. So we have the Suns, the Warriors, and the Rockets. So starting with the Phoenix Suns. Phoenix Suns going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. And then we have the John Lucas auto for Golden State. Warriors going to Sale. Congrats, Sale. And then Houston Rockets, 11 out of 20. Dual patches, game used jersey material going to Houston. Going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. And that was break 1516 for the 2020 Gold Rush Basketball Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check us out on eBay, of course, and on social media, P2J Sports Cards. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Pretty nice giveaway to 1,000 followers. Full-size autographed football helmet. Don't want to miss that. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then right after that, we will have the hockey Gold Rush value pack. Thanks.